Radio is on. How it sounds. Yep. First of all, you're gonna have to unclip this piece right there. You can get this from Amazon. It's a trim removal, car radio trim removal. They're about $8. Just go like this. It's a clip. You have to pry it out. Sometimes it's hard to be careful though. You can break this piece. Once you get one side out, it's not easy sometimes. Some people, they make it look easy, but it's not easy. One tough piece. Trying to pull it out with your hand on the bottom. Okay, once you get that out like this, one side out, the other side should be easy. What it is, it's got this clip out here like that. So you have to pry it out right there. That clip right there. Once it's coming out, that's it. And then you just take two screws right here. There's a screw right there, it's a Phillips. Take that screw out and then you can pull the radio out, the whole radio out. Okay, now I'm taking the Phillip out, one of them out. Take the next one right here. And make sure that thing don't drop anywhere else, and then pull it out. It just comes right out like that. And then now just kind of careful and push this. Take the antenna, push this out right here, push it down and pull it out. This clip right here. Might need to get a flat head on some of them. They get push that part right there down and then pull it out. Same as this one. There's a clip right there, you push it up and then pull it out. Push this upward and slide it out like that, straight out, and it'll come out like that. That's it. What's up, buddy? So now he's gonna try to pull that out right there, so he can run the RCA jack and remote back. This is basically what it looked like right here. So you just kind of pop it out. Actually, you push forward and pop it out. So right there, but to put it back, you might have a problem. You might have to put it in first, so you go in that hole. So now he's running a remote wire and an RCA jack. I won't be showing you that part, but basically you're going to run it from that on here. Sometimes you have to go up here and try to reach it, and then it's gonna come out this way right here. So now basically you're gonna have to take this right there. That's an Allen wrench. Okay, he's gonna go get an Allen wrench. I'm not sure what size it is yet, but take an Allen wrench and take this one screw out and then the other one out right there by the door right there.
This is the right one.
What one is that? What's it? What number is that? Dylan? Okay, it's T15 Allen wrench. Just take that piece out. You'll be able to access to the part right here. You'll see a light. Once you see a light right there, you should be able to get to an RCA jack right there. It's kind of hard to see, but he's got that pop out right there. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reach my hand right there and grab it while he reach on that other side. Right there. Okay, hold on. I got the remote. And pull it up, and here we go. Right there.
Enough? Good enough?
That's enough right there. Yep. And then so he's gonna run all that back, and you don't have to run the power wire because the power wire is on in the back, on the right side of the trunk. So I am running this 18 gauge 9-wire conductor to the front of the radio. I'm gonna route it right from there in the back. The seat right here. Pull the seat up a little bit. Just pull it straight up. It's easy. Just come off and run it like this. Right there, and push this up right here to get it off. I can't video all that, but yeah, you run it right there, right on this side right here, all the way to the back right there, to the front, not to the back, to the front. Then pull this out. Remember, it's an old plastic, so be careful because you can crack this thing out. Then you're gonna need one more, so you don't want to do that. So see, 9-wire conductor. I don't want to run the 9-wire conductor next to the RCA jack or the power. I mean, I could, but I don't want to because you might have that road noise. So I run it in the opposite way. I mean, there's no power with it next to the jacks. It's fine, but I run it to the driver side because the amplifier is on the driver side anyway. So that's BMW. Well, first of all, I'm gonna take that off right here. Pull this clip off top first, and then you can take this whole thing out easier, like that. So now I'm gonna pry this out. A lot of this you push back that way, it come out on the. Push it forward right there to take it out because of that piece right there, the small piece and the big piece. See, if you push that way, it's gonna come out. If you push this way, it's gonna lock. So I'm put it right there. I'm gonna go to the next. Let me see if I can sneak that wire through here. Yeah, I might be able to sneak this wire through here without. Let me pull the blue wire, which is the 9-wire conductor. Whoa. I'm gonna push it right there, like this, and then I'm trying to reach my hand and then try to grab it. Let me see if I can reach it. See my hand?
Nope.
Oh, I got it. See? Be able to grab it once you do like that. So I'm going to pull the wire long enough so I can go to the front. Way to save that money. Now, a lot of people like to do BMW. I personally don't like to do it. So I'm gonna kind of see I gotta get at least about 12-inch or 8-inch out here like that, and make sure I have enough wire, not too short, not too long. So what I'll do, I'm gonna try to see if I can sneak it in like this. Yep, I can. So I basically don't even have to take this piece off, and it might work. But since I took it off already, I'm gonna do it like that. That part right here is. Well, let me see if I can do the other way, because that looks hard. I'm gonna put it back. Remember the big one, so you have to push it down. If I can't do it, I'm gonna pop it off and put it in. But try that first. Yeah, that's too difficult. I'm gonna have to pry this off and put it back in because it's too much work. Like that. It's only a clip, so it's not bad. So what you do right now, you're gonna start from the big one to the small one like this. See that big side? Right there. Put it all the way to the end. Right here. And then all 4 of them. Then push it in, make sure it's right in the hole before you hit it, because if you don't, you'll damage that clip. And you gotta go to a dealer and get that clip. Let me see if I can go put the wire like in here like that without doing anything else. But this wire is pretty thick. Most likely I can do it. No, it's not a good idea. Oh, that come off, that's probably why. Hold on. Do it all over again. Make sure it's in that hole. Trying to make it easier for yourself. I think it works like that. You don't want to do too much work. Nah, see how right here it stick out too much. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna have to take it out. Not sure what size this is. Have to look at the size. I'm gonna take a Phillip and take this piece out right there, the hood latch. Right there. Once it come out, you put on the side, and there's a trunk release button right there too. So I'm gonna try it out. You gotta go easy on this. This is fragile, being this old. Oh, there's 2 more. There's another one right here. So now it's losing. I have to pry that piece off. I'll push it forward. Just have to be careful. I mean, any car you do is always different. I mean, I've done so many work on this car, but they all different. So what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna take this piece out. Oh, that's a number 15 T15. This is T15 Allen wrench, stall wrench. Taking that off. If you want to do it right, if you want to just go quick, you should run it down on the bottom right there, but I'm not going to do that for customers. Take this tool out. Should come down. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna run it like this so I don't have to take this piece out. All this wire go in here. That. Snuck it in behind that door latch thing if I can. Pretty tough right there. Right there, and then once I get like that, push it up like that. I'm gonna go to the radio and push that this way so I can reach it. Reach it to the radio and pull it out like that. Voila. Okay. Alright, well, whew. Yeah, be careful with that. It just fly out like that. So now, move the seat. I take the key, put the key in to get the seat out. But I'm not. I'm gonna push it out a little bit and snug this wire in underneath. Just like so. I'm gonna go that way. It's the limb. Okay. Ooh, need the light. Pull that out. Be careful, that flipped on my face earlier. Right there. This is magnets on. Whoa, where's the screw coming from? Okay, like that. Push it out. Come over here. Push that. So. Man. Oh, anyway, that's a bad part right here. You should put it before or inside of this piece right here. Did I cut it yet?
Nope.
Okay, I didn't cut it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut that piece. You need to put this blue wire right there, not after, it's before. I'm gonna grab me a cutter. Alright, to cut that, you want to make sure your wire is long enough. So what I meant right there, I'll usually leave about that much right there, but at least a foot past the car. Because this thing is about $2 a foot, but still, you don't want to too short. And now I'm going to pull that out again and push it out again. Because I do it before this. Put it like that. I should be able to see it up there. I'm gonna go that back and pull it. it's easier to push it from the front, but I kind of push it the wrong side. I'm gonna push it from this side in the middle of the seat. Like the passenger. Doesn't want to go. Push it up there about a foot so on up. Go. You see it? Yep. Oh, okay. So pull it forward. Keep holding it. Holding it. Yep, good enough. Alright, now, fun part is put it back in. Okay, push that. Try to do it from here first. Don't put it all the way and then you got like an inch or two left. You want to put it this side first and work your way up. Like that. And then now I'm going to pry all these out. 1, 2, 3. Then, like always, there should be 4. Put it back in there and let it lock in. Do we have 4? Or it's just missing like that? Only see 3. So if it's only 3, I'm gonna use this and put it on the front so it's don't move. Now try to line that hole. Start it from here first. And make sure I got in the hole. You'll feel it when it's in the hole. Yeah. Yep, just like so, and then put this thing back, clip back first, and then push that in. Voila. And put the seat back. Make sure the seat belt is in the back of the hole before you push it in. And once it's all the way in, you just put some weight to it. Now you can't fit it in. What you have to do, if it don't go in all the way yet, move the chair back forward and then push it a little bit and drop your body in there. It should lock in. I'm not going to do that. Alright, I got this like that. There's a wire that you need to push it all the way down, depending on how thick your wire is, but the wire that I'm using is pretty thick. So go like that. And yes, where is my blue plier at? Back out again. Put all 4 of them in. Now I want to put this in first though, before I go anything else. And yes, this car is older, so it's not gonna look the same.
Oh, it is cold, yeah.
Now, try to line that. Make sure. The front door over there. Didn't open no garage door. Okay, get in the hole. Put it in. That's it. And then push that back up. And remember, we're using a T15 right there. That's T15. Oh, let's screw it in. Huh? Oh yeah, I'll be with them. Okay. Some tea. I usually use a drill on this so it goes faster, but I can't find a T11 yet, so I'm not gonna try to do that. Just gonna use my hand. Do that. This screw right here. And then this screw right there. But I need my drill. Somebody took my drill. That's good enough. All you have to do is put it all back right here. There's two screws right there, and then there's a T15 right there and right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run the wire, hide the wire a bit. He doesn't have the piece that go in that middle right there, but hide the wire right that to go inside, so there's no wire be coming out. Right there. All right. Now. Look like I got a little bit too long, but it's okay. I'm gonna just tie like that. So I can get to the that. Now I got the 9 wires. Cut it. Strip every one of these except the blue wire, because I don't need the blue wire over there. So the color that I have, cut now. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this wire. Usually I make sure it's got about 2 inches. I cut 2 inches out from the plug, so that way if you need to do anything, or the customer need to put the factory back in or whatever, they can do that. So I got blue, white. Just unwind this thing a bit. Blue, white, I'm going to hook it up to the white color. Okay, blue white to the white color like that. Crimped it. And then blue brown. That's one speaker right there. That's a front left. And I'm hooking up the gray wire to the blue black, which is positive. And then the gray black to the blue brown. Most of the BMW, the brown wire is usually the negative side. Okay. I'm gonna do the green, okay? The green will go to the yellow and red. And then the green black will go to yellow and brown. And then the purple, which is the rear right, you go to the blue and light green. That's for the rear speaker. So purple go to blue and light green, and then the purple black go to blue and brown. Remember, brown is always negative. And okay, I'm done with the front. So basically, just hide and put everything right, and tape them. Tape or zip tie one of them. Shove it back in like that, and it's it doesn't matter, you just put it in and hit it and go in. Get this thing in. Yep, that's it, you're done in the back. Now you have to do the front. Now this is it's a brake switch. You gotta come to the brake switch. It's on top of the brake pedal. The color is purple and white. When you put the key on, your accessory or your ignition will come on. That's when you get the 12 volt when you put the key in, so the radio will come on. That's how you hook it up for ignition or accessory. Here I am, that wire, this is green wire, I'm hooking up to that purple and white of the brake switch. Now I'm gonna see if it's got power when I put the key in. So here's a test light, I'm putting the key in. Once you put the key on or inside, the power come on, and then I'm gonna try to start it and see if it stay on. So it's good. Shut it off, take the key out, and it shut off. So that is perfect for that. Now what I'm gonna do right here, I'm hooking up a yellow wire to the green, red and green right there. Red and green is a constant wire. And then the brown wire, I hook it up to the black wire. So everything that you see right here is hooked up to the 9-wire conductor. And then the remote wire right here for an amplifier. Actually, I had to cut it because the radio is on the top, it's not on the bottom. Yep. Right, here's the final stage. What I'm gonna do, I am gonna put the key in, and let's see if the radio come on. The radio is on. How it sounds. Yep. Yep, it's BMW, baby. Got some sound. He's got an amp hook up and everything, so